Come on, kid, move your ass. They'll be out looking for us soon.
Yeah.
I'm taking you to meet Clay Allison. Clay and Magruder go way back. Magruder's been strong-arming the whole territory looking for something, but no one knows what he's after. Don't shoot, boys. It's Port.
Port, it's good to see you. Oh, how bad they treat you.
They busted me up pretty good, but I didn't squawk none. This here's the fella who sprung me.
Port, are you blind? This is one of Hoodoo's boys. Search him. We saw them shaking hands in front of the hotel.
No, Clay. He's all right. He killed Webb and Rudabaugh.
What the hell is this? You know this man?
That's my father, Ned White.
Bullshit! I served with Ned in the war. He was killed in action 10 years ago.
You're mistaken, friend. Ned and I have been working the Rockies since I was a cub. Ned was murdered just a few weeks ago.
Clay? He's after Thomas Magruder, just like us.
I tracked the man behind Ned's death to Empire. Turns out he was working for Thomas Magruder.
Oh, want to get Magruder, do you?
And every bastard on his payroll.
Welcome to the Resistance. You can bet they've turned Empire into a fortress since your escape, but there may be a way in yet. Magruder sent a Gatling gun from Dodge on a train, where it's already out there laying the trap. You know? Come on, let's go! Get on that horse and follow me. Try to keep up!
Hey, Clay! Just in time. Cole, can you give me a hand with these powder kegs? As I unload these TNT barrels, do me a favor and move them into position by those loose rocks over there. Oh, and be careful with these barrels. They're not very stable, so don't be throwing them around. We need all 4 of them to cause the rock slide.
That'll do.
Clay'll help you position the barrels from above. Just place them around those rocks and listen for his word.
That'll do. From up here, it'll be easy to shoot that TNT right as the train enters the canyon.
Chavez and the boys thought they could take the train and dodge, but it was a trap. They're getting slaughtered.
Let's go. Get to the train before our men are wiped out. I'm praying Chavez can hold them off. They're just around this bend. Protect the resistors. Take out Hoodoo's men on the train.
Help is here, amigos! Right on! Gracias a Dios! I don't know how much longer we could have held them.
Damn, they brought in reinforcements. Hold them on till we tied down the gun.
Shoot.
Let's round up this boy. Let's show this boy how to ride.
Quit your fire!
I'm gonna run you down.
Call! The train's moving out! Follow me to the ambush area! We have to get back before the train passes the mine!
Thank the Lord you're back. Get that last barrel down there while I finish moving the ammo up the hill.
Terrific.
Hold your fire until the train gets into the canyon. Great! Get up here onto the ledge so you can shoot the barrels before the train passes. Give it just a little more time.